What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Moonriver, which has pumped up about 35% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at $8.93. So we're going to be looking at where it's heading to next. Can it potentially hit the $10 mark over the next couple of hours and so on, and for the rest of the year, how high is it likely to pump? And also going into 2024, what can we expect from Moonriver? Is it a crypto worth investing into? Going into 2024, is it a must have in your wallet? Or again, covering both buyers and sellers point of view, is it time to buy right now? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profits? Or is it simply time to hold on to it going into 2024? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Moonriver, which is here in purple at $7.25. However, it is actually trading at a much higher value here at just about $9, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are looking very bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, they are also looking quite steep guys, meaning this is not realistic. The only reason why they're looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks is going to carry on pumping in that direction. However, that is not the case. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, essentially by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, I'm expecting Moonriver to have dropped back down in value to around $8 is where I'm expecting Moonriver to be trading at. However, in between that time, it is likely to head over $9.50, potentially just on the $10 is where I'm expecting Moonriver to be trading at over the next couple of hours, before it slowly starts to drop back down in value by midday tomorrow, dropping down to around $8 in target is what I'm expecting. So yes, it is likely to pump up higher, but overall it is likely to slowly drop back down in value. So yes, it is going to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome at this point seems to be more on the negative side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days again, we still got the blue and the orange line looking very bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, they are still looking quite steep guys, meaning once again this is not realistic. Exact same reason as the last chart or the previous chart. So over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of next week, I'm expecting Moonriver to have dropped back down to around $7 is what I'm expecting, so at a lower value than where it is at the moment. So yes guys, I'm expecting an overall drop in value from Moonriver over the next 7 to 8 days. However, that does not mean that it's going to be consistently hitting red days over the next week or so. It is likely to hit the odd green day in between, where it's likely to take a little bit of a pump. But as mentioned guys, the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side, dropping down to around $7 by the end of next week. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again guys, it's still looking too steep, going in a bullish direction. So yes, once again this is not realistic. However, over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so again late February 2024, I'm expecting Moonriver to be trading around $12 to $13. So yes, heading over $10 is what I'm expecting. However, this is including the dips that are likely to take place in between. So what should essentially should take place is the crypto to drop back down to just below $7 over the next week or so, and then slowly start to gain value above $10 over the next 2 to 3 months, guys. So Q1 of 2024, they should have reached over $10, heading to around $12 to $13, somewhere around that price range is where it should be trading at. But again, before it does that, it is likely to drop back down in value to below $7. So as long as the overall outcome is positive, that's all that matters. So at this moment in time, yes, it is likely to pump up. However, if there are any major changes to that, for example, if I'm expecting a major bull run or a price pump or even a crash, I will of course let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are trading in the red zone at the moment, and we've got quite a long way to hit the resistance target here, which is $58, and I'm not expecting Moonriver to hit that anytime soon. So at least for the next 12 to 18 months, I'm not expecting it to hit the $58 target. So essentially we are going to be stuck in the red zone for at least the next year and a half. But what matters is, as long as we can slowly and steadily start to gain value heading upwards, getting closer and closer to the resistance target, we should be good to go. But yeah, it is going to take quite a while for us to break out from the red zone. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale. Going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 700% in the last 24 hours, making it $36 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading volume. It is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours, even according to Binance. As you guys can see, it is the second top gainer in the last 24 hours. So it is getting a lot of attention right now from both buyers and sellers point of view. So a lot more people are trading the crypto, meaning it is getting a lot of attention, and that is also helping the value of Moonriver pump up as well. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Moonriver. What is the highest figure I'm expecting this crypto to hit in 2024? Potentially heading to around $20 to $23, around that price range is the highest figure I'm expecting Moonriver to go to. Again, it depends on how the crypto market performs, but if you guys want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. Let me know what your expectations are for this crypto going into 2024. What is the highest figure this crypto can hit next year? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.